Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today I'm at the Huawei flagship store and we are looking at the Huawei Mate 50 RS Porsche design. Yeah, this video is going to be a very simple unboxing and first hands and also my several photo samples, of course. Just for the record, there are many cool features, but the software hasn't been updated, so I'm unable to show you all the cool things. I will do an in-depth review after everything is updated, like software or other things. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the packaging for the Huawei Mate 50 RS Porsche design. Ooh, looks minimalistic, right? And okay, let's just unbox it. This is the phone. Moving on, we have a pair of earbuds. Ooh, the charger, and then a 67 watts car charger. Two cables. One is the Type A to Type C cable. Another one is also the Type A to Type C cable. Alright. Write some paperwork, a pen, and that's it. Let's check out the design first. Whoa. The camera module looks gigantic and there is really something about the camera, about the specs listed on the screen. First of course, the significant one is the variable aperture. I will show that later, which is just crazy. And also here, this is the back design with Huawei logo there and also Porsche design text there. The whole thing actually reminds me of the Honor Magic 4 Ultimate. Also, we have a flash on the top where the 4 Ultimate is below. Very much the same, right? Okay, anyway, here on this side we have the volume rocker and the power key. There is a red accent there. Moving to the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C charging port, and also this SIM card tray. Let me check what type it is. So SIM card 1, and this is NM. It supports expansion. Okay, I guess this has something to do with that Beidou navigation satellite something. Let me just check take some selfies, alright? Photo. Okay, videos you might want. Alright, so this is the front video. If you want to know, let me just take some 4K 30 FPS or 60 FPS videos for you. Let me know if it's like stable. Variable aperture from f1.4 to f4. What that means is you get a better bokeh effect as you switch to the bigger aperture. Alright, so this is like ultra wide, the main camera. And then we 3.5 times 10 times zoom, all the way up to 100. Okay, 100 is a little bit shaking now. Alright, that's a very simple first look at the camera. Now, let me show you one of the highlights of the Mate 50 that Huawei has touted so much. That is the Beidou satellite communications technology. It essentially means that you can send a message and a location even without cellular coverage. To test it, we cut off all the internet connections, enter Huawei Connection app, find the Beidou satellite communication in the message center, and it allows you to send the location and the message to as many as 4 people at one time. During a meeting, the phone will guide you to the correct satellite direction, and then bang! Your message will be sent out. However, it doesn't work if you're in an airtight space like a confined room or underground. That's easy to understand as the satellite signal cannot penetrate concrete walls or dirt. Even obstacles will block the signal in some way. So, a wide open outdoor space is advised. By the way, Huawei offers 30 free help messages per month. I guess That's enough. Color options are blue, orange, silver, black, and purple, with the last two being available in leather and glass back variants. The Mate 50 RS has only blue and purple colorways with ceramic backs. And if you want to know what the specs and differences of the Huawei Mate 50 series phones, please check out the link in the description. Alright, so that's the unboxing and hands-on of the Huawei Mate 50 RS. Right, what do you think about this phone? Do you think the variable aperture is cool? Do you think that Beidou navigation satellite communication is cool? And just let me know in the comment section. That's for the video, and please subscribe, as I will always do this kind of fast and hands-on videos for you. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, mate.